Hello everyone. Welcome back. Quilling transforms paper strips into beautiful designs, perfect for creating delicate snowflakes. In this tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to craft stunning quilled snowflakes, ideal as ornaments, decorations, or unique gifts. Let's get started and bring the charm of Christmas to life with quilled snowflakes. Start by rolling a strip of paper into a tight coil using your quilling tool. Release the coil slightly to form a loose circle, then secure the end with glue. Hold the circle between your fingers and pinch opposite sides to create the pointed ends of the eye shape. Repeat this step and create a total of 8 paces. Insert one end of the strip into your quilling tool and roll it tightly into a compact coil. Once rolled, secure the loose end of the strip with a small dab of glue. Create a total of 3 pieces. Apply a small amount of glue to the tips of each shapes where they meet the center. Gently press them into place. Apply a small amount of glue to the edges of each tight coil where they will connect. Take a long strip of quilling paper and apply a small dab of glue at one end to secure it to the base of the comb, the first prong. Wrap the strip around the next prong of the comb and bring it back to the starting point. Secure the loop with glue at the base, the center of the comb. Move to the next prong of the comb, creating a slightly larger loop. Each time, bring the strip back to the base, securing with glue. Repeat this process, wrapping around sequential prongs to form evenly spaced loops radiating outward. Once you've reached your desired number of loops, carefully slide the fan off the comb. Create a total of 8 pieces. Create a quilling eye shaped and wrap a different color of paper strip around it. Create a total of 8 pieces. Ensure the central part of the snowflake is fully assembled. Arrange the looped fan near the edge of the central part. Apply a small amount of glue to the base of the looped fan. Repeat the process to attach them evenly around the center for balance. Ensure consistent spacing to maintain symmetry. You can also use pins to hold the looped fans until the glue sets. Let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Attach the lined eye shape to the middle of the looped fans. Thank you for joining me in this quilling Christmas snowflake tutorial. I hope you enjoyed creating this beautiful and festive design. Don't forget to experiment with different colors and patterns to make your snowflakes unique. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. God bless you, and see you next time.